At Discount Tire and America's Tire, sometimes we get customers who want to replace only 2 tires. Now the question, should you mount them on the front or the rear of your vehicle? The tire industry recommends mounting them on the rear for your safety. Here's why. Our employees went to Continental Tire's proving grounds in Uvalde, Texas to demonstrate the difference. Here are 2 identical cars, one with new tires mounted on the front, one with new tires mounted on the rear. They're traveling at 45 miles per hour on a test track. The purpose of this demonstration is to simulate rainy conditions at a normal exit ramp speed. When you mount new tires on the front, the rear tires have less tread and lower hydroplaning resistance. They can lose their grip on wet roads and cause the rear end of the vehicle to swing around out of control, like this, or this. Notice how the driver's hands do not move as the car loses control. Here's what it looks like with 2 new tires mounted on the rear, the way the tire industry recommends. Deeper tread with greater hydroplaning resistance helps new tires grip wet roads. The driver can steer to compensate for the lower wet traction of the worn front tires and maintain control. Not as exciting to watch, but your safety is what we care about. It's always best to have 4 good tires on your vehicle, but if you're only replacing 2, we recommend mounting them on the rear.